Goals. Not the kind you forget after New Year's, but the dreams that keep you moving forward. Yet most people never reach them. Why? Because they don't know how to turn dreams into daily action. So if you've ever struggled to stay consistent, lost motivation halfway, or felt like your goals just slip away, this video is for you. In this video, we'll uncover the hidden power of goal setting and show you how to create goals that stick, build habits that last, and truly change your life. The power of goal setting. Think about this. Imagine setting out on a road trip without a map or a destination. You drive around, waste gas, waste time, and end up nowhere. That's what life looks like without clear goals. Goals give your direction purpose. They're the compass that points you where you truly want to go. Science backs this up. Research by psychologists Edwin Locke and Gary Latham found that people who set specific and challenging goals perform better than those who just say, "I'll try my best." Why? Because goals give your brain something to focus on. They turn vague wishes into measurable targets. When you have a goal, your energy becomes sharper. You start noticing things that help you move forward. Your mind begins to filter distractions automatically. That's the power of clarity. Take Serena Williams as an example. Before she became one of the greatest tennis players in history, she had a clear goal: to become #1 in the world. She didn't just say she wanted to play tennis, she had a mission. Every morning she trained with that vision in mind. Every setback became another chance to improve. Her story shows us that success doesn't come from luck or talent alone. It starts with a clear goal and the commitment to chase it daily. Goals give meaning to your effort. They turn random motion into progress. Now that you get how goals guide your life, the next step is to make them clear. Let's talk about how to define your goals the right way. Defining your goals. Once you understand why goals matter, the next step is to define them clearly. Most people fail not because their dreams are too big, but because their plans are too blurry. Saying, "I want to be successful" or "I want to get fit" means nothing without details. You need a roadmap. That's where the SMART method comes in. Let's break it down. S is for specific. Don't say, "I want to save money." Say, "I want to save $500 in the next 2 months by skipping takeout and tracking my spending." The more specific your goal, the easier it is to aim for it. M is for measurable. Numbers help you see progress. Without them, you'll never know how far you've come. Imagine playing a game without a scoreboard. You'd lose interest fast. A is for achievable. Dream big, but stay realistic. If you've never run before, don't start with a marathon. Start with 1 mile a day. Achievable goals build confidence and momentum. R is for relevant. Your goal should fit into your bigger picture. Ask yourself, does this move me toward the life I want? If it doesn't, it's just a distraction. T is for time-bound. Deadlines push you to act. A goal without a timeline is just a wish. Give yourself clear deadlines and hold yourself accountable. When you follow the SMART method, you turn foggy dreams into a step-by-step plan. You'll know exactly what to do, when to do it, and why it matters. Let's look at an example. Imagine your goal is to get your dream job. Instead of saying, "I want a better career," say, "I want to become a graphic designer in 6 months. I'll take an online design course, create a portfolio of 10 projects, and apply to 5 jobs every week." See the difference? That's not just a dream anymore. That's a plan. Okay, so now your goals are clear. But how do you actually start working on them? Let's see how to turn your dreams into small daily actions. Part 3. Turning dreams into daily action. Here's the truth. Goals without action are just wishes. You can dream all day, but unless you take consistent steps, nothing changes. Big goals often feel overwhelming. That's why so many people quit halfway. The secret is to break them down into small daily actions. Psychologists call this chunking. It simply means dividing a big goal into smaller pieces that are easier to handle. Think of it like building a wall. Actor Will Smith once said, "You don't set out to build a wall. You lay one brick perfectly every single day, and soon you have a wall." That's the mindset of daily action. Focus on the next small step, not the entire mountain. For example, if your goal is to write a book, don't pressure yourself to finish 300 pages in a month. Start by writing 500 words a day. If you want to lose 20 pounds, don't obsess over the total number. Focus on eating a healthy breakfast today. Tiny wins lead to massive results. But consistency isn't just about effort. It's also about environment. Surround yourself with reminders of your goals. Put your workout shoes near your bed. Keep your journal on your desk. Make success easier by removing friction. When you convert your goals into simple daily actions, your dream stops being someday and becomes part of your routine. You've started taking action, and that's great. But how do you know if you're getting closer to your dream? Let's talk about tracking your progress, tracking and staying consistent. Now that you've started taking action, the next step is to track your progress. Tracking isn't just about measuring numbers, it's about building awareness. When you track your actions, you can see patterns. You'll notice what's working and what's holding you back. It's like having a compass that keeps you pointed toward your dream. Use tools that fit your lifestyle. It could be a notebook, a habit tracker app, or even sticky notes on your wall. The method doesn't matter. What matters is consistency. Each time you check off a small task, your brain releases dopamine, a natural chemical that makes you feel good and motivated to keep going. That's why celebrating small wins is so powerful. Author Stephen King once said he writes 2,000 words a day, every single day, even on holidays. He doesn't wait for inspiration. He just follows his system. Over time, that routine created masterpieces like The Shining and It. You can do the same. When you stick to a daily system, progress becomes automatic. Here's a trick. Reward yourself when you hit milestones. It could be something simple, a short break, your favorite snack, or a small gift to yourself. Rewards reinforce positive behavior and keep your energy high. Most people quit when progress slows down, but tracking helps you see how far you've already come. Every small checkmark is proof that you're getting closer. Progress feels amazing, but every journey has tough days too. Let's see how to stay strong when things don't go as planned. Overcoming challenges and staying flexible. Every goal journey comes with challenges. You'll face distractions, self-doubt, and days when nothing seems to go right. That's normal. The difference between people who quit and those who succeed isn't talent. It's how they handle setbacks. When you fail, don't panic. Step back and ask, what can I learn from this? Each mistake carries a lesson. Take Thomas Edison, for example. When his lab burned down in 1914, destroying years of work, he didn't give up. Instead, he said, "Thank goodness all our mistakes were destroyed. Now we can start fresh." That attitude made him one of the greatest inventors in history. So next time something doesn't go your way, remember, flexibility doesn't mean giving up. It means adjusting your approach. Maybe your original plan isn't working. Change your method, not your goal. If you can't run today, walk. If you can't study for an hour, study for 15 minutes. Small adjustments keep the fire alive. Also, surround yourself with positive influences, people who lift you up, not drag you down. Motivation is contagious. Being around goal-driven people keeps your mindset strong. And most importantly, forgive yourself when you slip. Everyone falls off track. What matters is how quickly you stand up again. You've learned the full process, from setting goals to staying strong through challenges. Now it's your turn to take that first small step and make your dream real. Ask yourself, what's one goal that truly excites you? Where do you want to be a year from now? Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Your dream life won't appear overnight. It's built one small action at a time. You have the power to start today. Don't wait for motivation. Create momentum. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more inspiring lessons, and share it with someone who needs that extra push. Because when you learn to turn your dreams into daily action, there's nothing that can stop you from becoming the person you were meant to be. Stay focused, stay consistent, and keep moving forward. Your future self will thank you.